Investing, the slowest high-stakes game in the world. Most people invest by buying a stock and waiting, or they buy an index fund and wait longer. When the market rises, they cheer. When it drops, they suffer. That is the entire strategy. But if you actually want control, real, precise control, there's a better way. That's where stock options come in. At Socratica, we built a full stock options course that takes you from zero to fluent. We cover the fundamentals, the strategies, the volatility, the Greeks, all of it. And here is the twist. This is version 1. Buy it once, and you get every future version free. No upgrade fees, no add-ons, no surprises. The price will rise as we expand the course, which means today is the lowest price this course will ever be. If you want to learn options, this is the moment. Your path starts at Socratica.com, where you will buy the stock options course.